I really want them to look at what they're doing with grades and the impact that it has on student learning, and to really sort of re-examine that relationship between the grading and the standards. I think there's this huge disconnect between what we do with grades and our goals of getting kids to meet standards. I hope it will help them change the game, the grade grubbing that goes on, the point grubbing that goes on, and to really get their students to focus on learning instead of getting points.